Hey guys, what's up? We are back, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to get the Fire Koopa Troopa guy in Super Mario Odyssey in Wooded Kingdom. And then when you're in Wooded Kingdom, you want to go to the observation deck and follow step by step. And guys, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot and makes me do more videos like this. And when you're at the observation deck, you're going to want to get glide on. And glide all the way over here to this wall that has a lot of leaves on it. Right here. And run up to the wall and jump. And keep doing this with glide on. And you want to keep doing this process until you go through the wall. It may take a minute or two. And it might take a lot of tries because you might die. But once you get through the wall, immediately glide and go to the right. So yeah, it does take a little while for it to do it, but it does work. So yeah, and comment down below if this really helped you guys. So I can do more videos about this, and comment which other videos I should do next. Okay, and then glide all the way to the right and go into this room. When you did that, and then go forward and place glide on right there. Get ready to catch him. Get ready to catch him. There, if you caught him. This might take like 2 tries or a few. Turn him around. Put him over to the side, right like that. Get glide on, go over, and then run into the wall and jump out of him, and it'll go like that. And then run over real quick, jump over them, turn around, and get him out of this place. And then get Cappy back, and then boom, there you go. You have got the Fire Koopa Troopa out. And he is invincible, so he will never die unless you put him in water. And there's also a moon over here. If you light him up, right here. If you light that up, there is a moon. And also you can get damage from him. You can lose hearts from him. But you can go to a lot of heights after like certain you can go to a lot of heights if you practice on him. He will damage you though if you get in front of him. So yeah, that's the tutorial on how to get the Fire Koopa Troopa in Super Mario Odyssey at Wooded Kingdom. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time, guys. Peace!